Hello students, today we are going to explore and share knowledge about the topic domains of AI from your class 11 artificial intelligence subject. In artificial intelligence, there are three main domains. The first is data science, which deals with different types of data and their analysis. The second is natural language processing, NLP, which helps machines understand human language. The third is computer vision, which allows computers to interpret images and videos. We will also learn about cognitive computing, where machines can think and learn like humans. Data science is all about working with data to find patterns and make predictions. It plays a key role in areas like fraud detection, stock market prediction, sports performance analysis, and recommendation systems. Using data science, we can convert raw data into useful information with the help of techniques such as statistics, machine learning, and data visualization. In today's world, data is often called the new oil because of its great value. In fact, around 90% of the world's data has been created in just the last 2 years. Now, what is data? In simple terms, everything around us is data. Our name, date of birth, images, selfies, documents, videos, and more. Data is basically a collection of raw facts. However, not all data is the same, and without data, artificial intelligence cannot work. AI exists because of data. That's why data needs to be collected, cleaned, organized, and stored properly for use in data science. There are three main types of data. Structured data. This is organized data in tabular form like spreadsheets with proper labels and tags. Unstructured data. This type has no clear structure, such as images, audio, and videos. Semi-structured data. This falls in between. It has some labels or tags but is not in a proper table format like social media hashtags or tag data in documents. Now, let's understand natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a domain of AI that helps computers understand and work with human language. It allows machines to read text like emails, messages, and articles, understand their meaning and context, respond in a human-like way, translate languages, and even analyze emotions or sentiments in text. You can see NLP in action when you talk to voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, use predictive text on your phone, translate languages using apps like Google Translate, or chat with AI tools like ChatGPT. NLP mainly works through two important components: natural language understanding, NLU, which focuses on understanding human language, and natural language generation, NLG, which focuses on generating human-like responses. Now, let's move to computer vision. Computer vision is a domain of AI that gives computers the ability to see and understand the world through images and videos, just like humans use their eyes. In this field, computers analyze visual data to recognize objects, understand scenes, and make decisions based on what they see. It is widely used in applications like face recognition, self-driving cars, and medical imaging. To understand computer vision, we should know two basic concepts. A pixel is the smallest unit of an image, which contains information about color and intensity. Resolution refers to the total number of pixels in an image, usually described by its width and height. Now, look at this concept carefully. The more pixels an image has, the better its resolution and quality. For example, an image with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels means it has 1920 pixels horizontally and 1080 pixels vertically. Higher resolution images contain more pixels, which results in clearer and more detailed pictures. You can easily notice the difference in quality between an image of 25 by 25 pixels and one of 100 by 100 pixels. The image with more pixels appears much clearer and sharper. Now, let us learn about another important area of AI, cognitive computing. Cognitive computing is a branch of artificial intelligence that aims to mimic how the human brain thinks, learns, and makes decisions. In simple words, it focuses on building systems that can understand, reason, learn, and interact like humans, not just follow instructions. We can remember it like this. AI means making machines smart, while cognitive computing means making machines think like humans. These systems follow a process of learning, then reasoning, and finally decision-making. They can learn from data and experiences, understand natural language, recognize patterns and context, make decisions, or give recommendations and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. A well-known example is IBM Watson, which can analyze large amounts of data and provide useful insights in areas like healthcare and business. Now, let's quickly go through this slide to recall the concepts. Let's do a small activity. I'll give you some applications, and you have to identify which domain they belong to: data science, natural language processing, or computer vision. For example, gesture recognition. This clearly comes under computer vision because it involves understanding images and visual input. What about fraud detection? Yes, that belongs to data science because it uses past data to find patterns and predict suspicious activities. The rest you should try on your own and find out the answers. And if you are wondering how to cross-check your answers, don't worry, the answers are already given, so no cheating. Also remember that some applications may belong to 2 or more domains of AI. They can overlap, so look at the answers carefully, think about them, and try to verify using your own intelligence. That's how you will understand the concepts better, isn't it? Alright students, that's all for today. We'll meet again in the next topic. Thank you.